Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're talking about making money from selling feet pics. All right, now not my feet pics. My feet are just atrocious, right? But if you're a woman watching this right now, you might, understand that selling feet pics is a hot topic. A lot of women are doing it and a lot of women are interested in doing it, but is it for you? This is something that you need to think about before you jump into this, right? Now, a minute ago I did say, for women, right? Now, I guess men could do this too, right? So I don't want to, maybe some dudes out there want to sell feet pics and maybe that's a hot market too. But when I think of feet pics and people buying them, I'm thinking of women, right? So I think the majority is women. Now, full disclaimer, I did a video on this topic a couple years ago and got a lot of questions about, a lot of comments on that video. And 2 years later, I'm still realizing like this is a hot topic. This is getting more and more popular, right? Now, when I said full disclaimer, me personally, I love a woman with pretty feet. It's something about a woman with pretty feet. It's just either you a foot guy or you ain't. So I'm definitely am. Now, have I ever bought feet pics? No. But I mean, I understand. I get it why some guys have, fetishes about pretty feet or feet. I don't know. But yeah, by the way, my wife has the prettiest feet ever. I know you're going to say I'm just saying it just because, but she really, really does. Anyway, so is it for you though? Right? You watching this video, you've been watching other videos, I'm sure women talking about it. So this is what I get from it, now, currently. Yes, this is a real way to make money online. Yes, there are women making a lot of money selling feet pics. But what I realized, because I did a little research, current research, and a lot of women who get involved with this selling feet pics, first thing they talk about is don't get scammed. There's a lot of scammers out there in the game. Now, granted, there's a lot of scammers, period, when it comes to anything, but it seems like especially in this type of market, it seems like there's a lot of scams. Why? Probably because, you figure these are young girls who probably don't know too much about internet marketing and stuff like that. And you got these savvy scammers that might even be women themselves. They're scamming you, basically trying to get you to, send them, free pictures, first of all, for nothing. But worse than that, these scammers are trying to get you to buy, what they call Google Play cards and stuff like that. Basically get you to send them money before they start buying pics from you, right? So it's a lot of scammers involved with this that you must be aware of before you jump into this game, right? Another thing that it may turn you off in this game is a lot of women talk about weirdos, right? Weirdos on the level of not because they like feet, right? Ain't nothing wrong with that if they're pretty. But it's just like some people might get attached, weird on the level of can I call you? Can you send me more? Can I see some leg? Can I see some butt? Can I see, what's your real name? Or you want to go out, and you can develop, get these, stalkers, right? You could get online stalkers because they can become addicted or obsessed with you, right? So that's something that you might want to think about. Because I think you definitely have to have some sort of tough skin when it comes to this. And you have to have this, I don't want to say a character, but you have to be I'm not getting too involved with this. I'm literally selling this as a service. I'm not going to take it to different levels. I'm not going to get that, I'm going to keep it professional. That's what you have to really think about, because you're going to most likely be approached online by all kinds of people. Men, women, old, young, black, white, blue, green. I mean, you're probably going to get, especially if you got really pretty feet or attractive feet or whatever, you're gonna get hit from all directions. Now, in my opinion, if you like wouldn't mind doing a photo shoot, if you're not shy doing like photo shoots, even if you were the stripper at some point, right? I think this could be, because you would be used to that. You would be used to people trying to approach you online or messaging you. If you're used to that type of thing, and you can definitely make money selling feed pics, right? But if you're super shy and you don't like being private message DM'd all day every day from guys who most likely want to touch your feet and probably other things, if that's gonna annoy you or that freaks you out, then do something else. Like, you don't have to sell your feet pics to make money. You really don't. Now, is it simple as hell? Yeah, it looks super simple. The women that I seen, watching their videos talking about this subject, they all say it's super easy to do. They all say all you gotta do is just create a Twitter account and hashtag feet buyers, feet pics, feet for sale, whatever, and you're gonna start getting messages. Then it's up to you to, negotiate prices and all this and all that. So that's my take on it. If you're the type of person, like I said, don't mind doing photo shoots. You don't mind, people DMing you all the time. You don't mind people trying to get closer, asking you on dates and all that stuff. If you cool and you can keep it professional and cool, I say go for it. And another thing to keep in mind that may make you feel more comfortable is a lot of women who sell feet pics, they never do show their face, right? Now, me personally, if I was into buying feet pics, I definitely would want to see the whole woman. I would want to put a face and a body to the feet, but that's just me, right? Some people, I guess, don't mind that. So once again, some women might feel comfortable if you know that you're just only ever going to show your feet and that's it. That may make you feel comfortable, but I think the women who probably show their face and everything probably make more money just because, you know what I'm saying? But that's my take on it. You know what I'm saying? If you into it and you don't mind all that, I say go for it. The money is out there. But if you want another way that you can earn potentially a lot more money than selling feet pics, and you don't have to worry about people getting at you tough on DMs trying to date you, right? You want another way to make money online? Then watch this video.